In just 1 week, this short reached 5,000 views, and so many of you asked for a full tutorial. So today we are breaking down this beautiful 3-note open voicings in F major. Grab your guitar and let's jump right in. Alright, the first chord is the F. We're gonna put finger 1 on the string number 4, position 3, the F. The C note on position 5, string 3, we use finger 3, and the pinky, position 5, string number 1, with the A note. So we get this F major. We're gonna go to the next, G minor. The G is gonna be in position 5, string number 4, finger number 1, position 7, string number 3 for the D, I use the finger 3, and finger number 2 and the string number 1, position 6 for the B flat. We get this G minor chord. You see how the shape changed a little bit. Now we are gonna move everything the same, but we go into the fret number 7. Here we have the A minor, A, the root. String number 4, position 7. We got the E with the finger number 3, string number 3, position 9. And we get the C, position 8, string number 1. Okay, A minor. We are moving to the next one, which is gonna be B flat major. Now we go to the major shape. We are not playing the string number 2, by the way. String 4, string 3, and string number 1. We don't play the string number 2. B flat, position 8. We get the finger number 1, string number 4, and then we get the F, string number 3, position 10 with the finger 3, and we get in string number 1, position 10, the D with the pinky. So we get B major. Now we move everything, the major shape, as you can see, from the position 8 to the 10, we go here, and we get the C major. C is gonna be in the string number 4, position 10, finger 1, G, string number 3, position 12, finger 3, and the pinky is gonna play the E note, which is in the string 1, position 12. Okay, so we get the C major. Nice. Let's move on with the D minor. Again, we back to the minor shape. As you can see, I'm gonna use the finger 2. Finger 1 for the D, position 12, string number 4. Then we get the A, position 14, string number 3. I'm using the finger 3, and the finger 2, string number 1, position 13 for the F. D minor. Now we're gonna go to the E half diminished. We get the E on the string number 4, position 14. B flat on the string number 3, position 15. I'm using the finger 3. And then we got the G note on the string number 1, position 15. So we get this. Next and last one is the same first chord, F major. We get the F on the position 15, string number 4. I'm using my finger 1. C, position 17, string number 3, finger 3. And the A note is gonna be on the first string, position 17, 2. We get the F major 1 octave higher. Okay, so from the beginning, That's the complete breakdown, guys. Practice this shape slowly to build that muscle memory. Also, if you like this stuff, check our video where we play the F major open voicings from the 6th string. Thanks for being part of M&R Music Revolution. Please subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it, and leave a comment if you want to share your thoughts and opinions about this topic. My name is Marcelo. We are M&R Music Revolution from here, from New York City to the rest of the world. See you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.